threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: precautionary/preparedness actions. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Using across the all amounts of 1 to are possible. Threatening flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life threat. Godwin, Pope AFB, Spring Lake, Irwin. Godwin, Pope AFB, Spring Lake, Irwin, Eastover, Wade, Falcon, Linden, Creek, Timberlake, and Bonnie Doon. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. I want to just...
Wow, I have not seen flash flood warnings that WTKK just reliant for Cumberland County, right